Can I be Frankenstein? Happy Halloween! Halloween is my favorite time of year. I love making spooky treats for my friends and family to enjoy. Today I'm making stuffed Frankenstein heads. These are super cute. They are green peppers stuffed with a delicious rice and meat mixture. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have tons of spooky treats on my channel. Make sure to check out my Halloween playlist that I'm going to leave at the end of this video. And do ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. This recipe is ridiculously easy to make. I'm going to start with a simple meat stuffing. In a saute pan, start with some oil, and when it's nice and hot, I'm going to heat up a half cup of diced onion. I'm going to allow this to saute before adding in 1 pound of ground meat. This is roughly about 500 grams of meat. I'm using beef today, but you can use lamb, pork, or even chicken. You can even just stuff these peppers with ground veggies like carrots, peppers, broccoli, and cauliflower. Break up the ground meat and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, salt and pepper to taste. I have 1 cup of diced stewed tomatoes here and I'm just going to add this in. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander or cilantro. You can use any herb that you like. Parsley or even basil would be amazing. To soak up all that liquid, add 3/4 cup of cooked rice. This filling is ready, so I'm just going to leave it to cool. I'm excited about this recipe as out of all the peppers, the green pepper is my favorite. In my opinion, it's also the tastiest. I have 4 peppers here that are roughly about the same size, and I'm just going to cut the heads off. Keep the lids closed so you know which one to put back on later. I'm gently going to cut away the pith using a paring knife, and I'm going to stack the pepper together. Using a knife, I'm also going to cut 2 diamond-shaped eyes. I'm going to use these beautiful stuffed olives as the eyes. You can also use black Kalamata olives if you like. These are a bit big, so I'm just going to shave them down the sides to fit. If your eye holes are a little bit small, you can just cut it a little bit more to accommodate the olive.
There's a monster in my closet, heard him late last night, moaning and a groaning in the pale moonlight, in the pale moonlight. There's a monster in my closet, a demon waits inside, a whooping and a howling, got chills down my spine.
Repeat the process with the rest.
It's getting freaky, creepy. Whoa, 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 I got me.
Add these to a baking dish. and I'm going to start filling them up with the delicious meat and rice filling. Once I've got all of the filling in there, I'm going to top it up with a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Put the tops back on and bake in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes till the peppers are cooked. I also like to broil the pepper just for a minute or so the tops get nice and blackened and they look like Frankenstein's hair. Finally, using a little bit of food coloring, I'm just going to simply paint on some eyebrows and a mouth. Your scary stuffed Frankenstein peppers are ready. Thank you so much for joining me at Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this super delicious recipe for stuffed Frankenstein heads. If you're having a sit-down Halloween dinner, this would make a great addition to your table. But also, if you're going to a potluck, take these with you. It's going to be the talk of the party. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends and ring the bell so you're notified the minute I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there and I also give you the opportunity to tell me what to make next. So make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy Halloween!